Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Well, I wish I had some better news, but it is definitely looking like a wet Valentine's Day. Lots of showers this morning, and then showers and thunderstorms this afternoon ahead and along a cold front. So let's get things started at 8 a.m. this morning, and it is going to be a wet morning commute. Lots of light to moderate rain out there, and same thing late morning. Some light to moderate rain coming down. Again, a true rainy day in southeast Nebraska. Now notice at 11 a.m. temperatures still mid to upper 40s, so still showers. But in the afternoon, it does look like we'll warm up a little bit more. Some getting into the 50s, and that means that there's a chance of thunderstorms, particularly where the temperatures reach the 50s. That's kind of the magic threshold where you start to see thunderstorms pop up. I'll still mention a chance where temperatures are more likely to get stuck in the 40s in the northern part of the area, but particularly Lincoln and areas to the south and east. Definitely still a chance for showers, but also got to mention the chance for thunderstorms this afternoon. Now for everyone, it is going to be breezy, gusts 20-25 miles per hour. But if one of these storms moves over you this afternoon, I do have to mention the possibility for wind gusts stronger than that, possibly gusts 40-45 miles per hour in one of those thunderstorms. And also, there is a small chance we could see some pea-sized hail in these storms as well. Again, best chance for this is in the southeastern part of the area, Lincoln and to the southeast, but very outside chance even in the northern part of the area. Regardless if the thunderstorm moves over you or not, though, still wet for everyone. Even for the homebound commute, notice 5 o'clock, still lots of showers, still the possibility of thunderstorms. But after 5 o'clock, there will be improvement. But for Valentine's Day evening plans, we're still talking about scattered showers. Now, the best chance is going to be in the northeastern part of the area, so particularly Omaha, Council Bluffs, going out 7, 8 o'clock, still a real good chance of rain. The farther south and west you live, the smaller the chance of seeing showers. By the time we get to 11 o'clock tonight, continued improvement. Now we're just talking about isolated showers, still the best chance to the north and east, and a real small chance in the southwestern part of the area. By the way, a few flakes of snow could be mixing in at this point too, because look how temperatures have come down behind the cold front. Also, this evening, no chance of thunderstorms. That is just during the afternoon. And then I do think by 2 o'clock tonight, we are done with the rain, completely dry in southeast Nebraska. But for how long? Because now we've got to talk about when the snow is going to be moving in. Well, the good news for the morning commute tomorrow, looking better than today. It's going to be completely dry. Still a lot of clouds and a lot colder, but dry. I think the earliest the snow could start to push into the southwestern part of the area is around 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. So I still think a lot of us are going to be dry, but I got to mention the southwestern part of the area, the isolated snow showers beginning. By the way, look at temperatures tomorrow, upper 20s, low 30s, and gusts 30-35 miles per hour. So feeling about 10 degrees colder in this when you factor in the wind. Now jump ahead to 2 o'clock, and now we're talking about scattered light to moderate snow showers. And for the homebound commute tomorrow, I think there's going to be a lot of light to moderate snow in southeast Nebraska. And as indicated by those dark shades of blue, I think as early as about 5 o'clock tomorrow, the possibility for some pockets of heavier snow. Now, I'm just going to stop the model here because I've got to be honest with you, there's still a lot of uncertainty about what's going to happen Wednesday night. The models are still real messy in how much heavy snow there's going to be, and also they're very inconsistent about when the snow is ultimately going to end. Some say it all moves out of here by midnight, but there are other models that linger the snow into Thursday morning. And so as you can guess, with variations in how much heavy snow there's going to be and how long the snow is going to last, it's still messy on how much snow we're ultimately going to see. So we've got to talk about what the possibilities are right now. So let's take a look at the ranges that we're seeing. For the northern part of the area, one thing that the models are clear on is more snow to the south, less to the north. But they're still messy about exactly how much. Notice that for the northern part of the area, on the low end, we're talking about an inch of snow. Columbus, Fremont, Omaha, Council Bluffs, but there are still models saying as much as 3 inches in that area. Farther to the south, York, Lincoln, as little as 2 inches, but possibly as much as 4 inches of snow. Farther to the south, Hebron, Beatrice, Nebraska City. Now, in this area, as little as 3 inches, but possibly as much as 5 inches. And then notice the sweet spot, Falls City, as little as 5 inches, but some models saying as much as 7 inches of snow in Falls City. So I know this is frustrating when there are big ranges like this. What we need first is to get through this wet day today. Once we get through all the rain, the models are going to come into much better agreement on the snow. So look for an update on these snowfall amounts tomorrow morning.